Okay, this is Richard back at you. Well, we had a little bit of mistake. When I started tearing the tranny down for the 2007 Tahoe, that they put the wrong transmission transfer case in, I bumped my controller here on the table and turned the sound off, so there's no sound. But we do have a killer video. If y'all want to see that one, let us know. Trent will post it. But we've really got a train wreck here. We come to find out this tranny don't even belong in the vehicle. It's got the wrong connector that plugs from the car to the tranny. It should have a late model connector. It's got an early model connector. It doesn't have as many pins in it as this one here has. So it doesn't have the input speed sensor for the pump and input shaft. This thing's a train wreck. Let me find some stuff. The reverse clutch is burned out of it. I mean, there's just no material. We're sorry that the sound went away on our other video because, man, it was a really good video for you guys to see. So, I mean, this tranny's got a lot of additive in it, too. The seals are all swelled up, jumping off the pistons and stuff. I mean, just a lot of wear. But what's fortunately is we're going to have to gather this thing up, part it out, put it on the shelf, go grab a core, a late model core, tear it down, build it that has an input speed sensor, and put this thing and get this thing going. Now, we also want to say something. Me and Trent decided to put like a GoFundMe page up to help these people pay for this transmission. They put out $2,000 for this job. They had to drive 45 miles an hour all the way home for 10 hours. $2,000. Can you believe that, people? But we're trying to help them out a little bit. We put up a PayPal page where you can go in there and pay or donate whatever you want to pay or donate. It don't have to be big, much, or anything like that. But we definitely want to help these people out. I mean, these people are crying in my office, just totally devastated because what these people did to their vehicle. So, if you want us to play that first video, I'm telling you, it's a really good video. You'll see a lot of stuff. You can't hear anything, but it's going to be worth watching. We explained a lot of stuff, but you just can't hear it. So, y'all subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. It's coming tomorrow. We got a really good one coming up in here. So, y'all stay tuned. Have a great day.